प्लेयर से जो आज साथ तो खड़े होंगे पर कल एक दूसरे पर उंगली उठाएंगे, जो आज मुस्कुरा तो रहे हैं कल सर्कल ऑफ शक में एक दूसरे के नाम लिखेंगे, और जो आज दोस्त दिख रहे हैं शायद वही कल सबसे बड़ा धोखा देंगे. The stakes are higher, the deceptions are deadlier, and the entertainment is bigger, bolder, and more dramatic. So buckle up, everyone. It is Dhoka time again. अरे लिफाफा यानी कि खेल तो ऑलरेडी शुरू हो चुका है. वेल थैंक यू सो मच. लेट मी रीड. इस लिफाफे में है क्या? ओके यहाँ दिखते तो सब मोहरे हैं, मगर इनमें से हैं कुछ वजीर. रखना हर कदम संभल के मेरे दोस्त, धोखे से बने हैं आंखों के तीर. क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात. वेल विद दैट intense note, it's time to welcome the man who's brought the exciting format to India. Please welcome director and head of originals Prime Video India, Nikhil Madhok. Nikhil, a warm welcome to you. Mahol to set hai yahan par. It's like The Traitors has completely energized the reality show space in India. The buzz around the show has exploded, and we want to know what made it happen.
Firstly, good evening, everybody. Thank you for being here. I'm glad you asked that question because about a year and a half ago, when we first started thinking of Traitors, we saw that the reality space in India actually needed a lot of innovation. It was the same standard formats again and again. No real innovation was happening. People were saying it looks scripted. It's all about putting people in a house and then making them fight and scream and shout at each other. So we wanted to do something different. And what's special about Traitors as a show is that instead of relying on cat fights, it actually relies on strategy, on gameplay. It's about making smart choices. So the kind of manipulation that happens, the human drama that you see, that's what actually makes it so different from everything else. And something fascinating happened after Traitors, the first season launched, which is that this space of reality TV suddenly saw full boom. And as you can see what's happened this year, it's like everybody else has also started with their own reality shows, because now suddenly everyone feels that reality TV is the happening thing. So I'd like to give credit to earlier BBC, now Dharmatic, my team, Akriti, Prashant, and everybody at Prime Video for starting this revolution, and hopefully we'll keep doing this for the next many years.
Thank you for choosing the best choice and giving us some great entertainment. And you know what? Fiction shows में तो प्राइम वीडियो नंबर 1 है ही, और अब रियलिटी शोज के स्पेस में भी तो टॉप पर पहुंच गए हैं. तो क्या बात कहेंगे. सीजन 1 प्लेयर्स क्रिएटेड सच अ फैंडम, डिडंट दे? Yeah, we like that. How do you top something like that? Because क्या सीजन 2 के प्लेयर्स और भी शातिर होंगे, and what can one expect from season 2?
So all I can say is इस गेम में हर सीज़न चेहरे बदलते रहते हैं, लेकिन जीतता वही है जो सबसे ज़्यादा शातिर हो. और आज हम उन्हीं 21 लोगों से आपको मिलवाना चाहेंगे जो बहुत ही शातिर खिलाड़ी हैं. So should we have a look?
Absolutely. Nikki और पूछ पूछ, go for it.
Please.
अगर टीजर वीडियो से कोई हिंट मिली है तो इस साल ट्रस्ट और भी कम होने वाला है, राइट?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. इस बार का जो सीज़न है, इट इज़ really exciting. We all say this every time, but I have to tell you honestly, this is even better season than season 1. And the twists and turns actually start right from episode 1. I think everybody will really enjoy it. Please look out for it on August 13th. You won't be disappointed. We've really had fun making the show, and the players have done a fantastic job on the show. You'll all really, really enjoy it.
और वो भी रात के 12 बजे ड्रॉप होगा, right? Yeah, midnight 12 a.m. Well, that definitely calls for a toast, for a celebration, and well, yeah. Here we
सो
go.
अच्छी खबर ये है कि इस साल एंटरटेनमेंट होगा डबल, पर खबर ये है कि उसके साथ होगा धोखा भी डबल.
Here we go, Nikhil. Definitely धोखा तो होगा, पर आप अपने ड्रिंक्स का आनंद उठाइए. सभी को यहाँ पर ड्रिंक्स पेश किए जा रहे हैं, बट बी केयरफुल क्योंकि यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है. नजर हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. पर लगता है पैलेस ने अपनी पहली चाल चल दी, बिकॉज देखिए दुर्घटना तो घट चुकी है आपके गिलास में. नैन, आपको गिलास मिला. रुद्रानी कैसी हैं आप तक पहुंच जाएगा गिलास कुछ ही पलों में. पर अपने गिलास पे नजर रखिएगा क्योंकि निखिल आपके गिलास में भी यहां कुछ भी हो सकता है. जैसे कहा हमने, नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी. वेल, कहते हैं ना, गेम अभी तक शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है और यहां पर पहला मर्डर हो चुका है. Did you get your glass? Cheers. You see that? You see that? Deception. Bloody game. That's what. But घबराइएगा नहीं. Relax. You definitely can consume that drink. Go ahead, have that drink. The person holding the red drink isn't dead. Not yet, at least. वैसे भी a red glass doesn't make someone guilty, and it certainly doesn't really make them innocent either. It simply marks one thing: the death of trust. और जिस पल trust मर गया, तो समझो उसी पल the traitors का game शुरू हो गया. So, to everybody out here, and Nikhil, you as well, sip carefully, trust sparingly, क्योंकि यहाँ धोखा isn't just on the menu, it's the chef's special. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Thank you to that table there. Cheers. You've got that color changed. धोखा already वहां पर हो चुका है. और मैं कहूंगा निखिल, आपका यहाँ पर जो ग्लास है उसका रंग तो बदल गया है जूस का. या आप भी शक के दायरे में हैं, तो यहाँ कोई बचने नहीं वाला. But it's already getting mean. What do you think? How mean is season 2 going to be?
I think season 2 is more dramatic. It has more scheming, more plotting. It has 21 even more dangerous players than we saw in the previous season. And as I said, I think all of you will really enjoy it. How mean it is, it'll be clear on August 13th when the first episode releases.
You know, whenever I'm the front runners on stage, I'd love to get them to spill the beans, but I'll have to wait till the 13th of August. Well, I'm going to get the glasses back. Yep, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you and thank you. And on that ominous note, if I could request you to please join me here. Let's please welcome the host for The Traitors Season 2 and the founder and chairman of Dramatic Entertainment. Please welcome one and only Karan Johar.
The center stage awaits you. ये जहां भी आते हैं आतिशबाजी करते हैं. Rocking welcome to you. I'm requesting you on center stage. Karan, a rocking welcome to you. Thank you so much for joining us.
As you know, यहाँ पर काफी कुछ हो रहा है. Juices के रंग बदल रहे हैं. We already raised a toast to celebrate the unforgettable drama, impossible betrayals and धोखा. आप बताइए, what kind of a host will you be for in season 2? More ruthless or more unforgiving or a combination of both?
My reputation precedes me.
It does.
I won't be forgiving. I'll definitely be more ruthless. But we will never, ever forget to be entertaining. That is the modus operandi for any popular show. I'm so proud that our show Traitors is now in its 2nd season. And you know, when you get a green light from a streamer, you know when there is a season 2, that only says how popular season 1 must have been for us to be validated with a season 2. This season, I have to say, shocked, surprised, appalled, and even terrified me. Because I saw the level of betrayal, really. I saw the level of attack. I saw the level of manipulation. And I saw the level of strategy that I was not expecting. And when we say the show is called Traitors, and we say it's a game, trust me, it stopped becoming a game at one point of time. And reality and reality started merging and becoming one solid dhamaka of betrayal. And, well, all I want to say is that literally every night there was an attack. There was a stab in the back. Emotions you won't lack. And unlike other shows, the winner won't be a hack.
Well, there is no lack of entertainment when we've got on the throne of hosting one and only Karan Johar himself, isn't it? Like, he definitely, you keep us glued there, you keep the masala, you keep the drama, and thank you for being you and giving us the best, dishing out the best entertainment ever through Traitors Season 2, and wishing you the best for this season as well. And also would like to highlight, it's the fastest show that's come back with the season 2. It is Traitors, and credit goes to you as well, Karan, for, you know, being at the helm of things and holding it so well and entertaining us through and through. Now, this season, like Dhokha, your role has also doubled from host to now the producer for season 2 for Traitors. So why don't we double up as well this space and welcome your partner in crime at Dharmatic Entertainment, CEO of Dharma Productions. Please welcome Apurva Mehta.
Welcome, Apurva. Good to see you.
Now, तीनों साथ हैं यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी गुफ्तगू हो जाए तीनों के साथ. Apurva, starting with you, Dharmatic Entertainment and Prime Video की इस long standing और successful relationship की recipe का राज तो बताइए हमें.
So, firstly, good evening, everyone. Wonderful to see all of you here, and so excited for this show. You know, when you work, you look for creative satisfaction, love, and respect. And for us at Dharmatic and Dharma, working with Amazon, we've always got all of this in abundance. You know, every time you're trying to... Traitors is a new show, and working on that was extremely challenging because that's the first time we were producing at Dharmatic. But thank you to the entire team, Gaurav, Nikhil, Akriti, Prashant, Stuti, Wrinkle, all of them have been so amazing, holding our hand, listening to our suggestions, and it was an extremely intense but a fun shoot, and we're very, very excited. Thank you, Neha, Anisha, Rishabh, Neeraj, all of you for really making it bigger, bolder, and now we can't wait for everyone to see it.
Well, all the